Listen. In my country where people surrounded with diverse kind of languages, I mean like a bird from the Tower of Babylon. This is another beauty we have and another shame we have to deal with. In my country, there's a cloud over everyone's head. Either the less or the more. There is a sun that shines either on the old or the young. I mean, there's life for everyone. Yeah. The hardest times we smell, the highest mountain is here, the toughest ring to cheer. But here, we want to reach our peak. Not in Nepal, the ever will run. Not even in China is where our rest is born. In my nation, you hear the rhythm of who when the intellectual refuses to vote, only to chastise the government few months after. I mean, a gifted nations where intellects are like pyramids, mouth-watering enough to amuse the world's wonder, or paralyze the bonds caused by our latest blunders. But you're silent. Cooked in a anguish but consumed with fear, you're silent. To me, it's a break of shame that we agents are paralyzed by the reactions we are supposed to quicken. The actions we couldn't fight, but crippled by their marks on. Is this how we plan to give a generation another tax con? This is my country, where trends are achievements and the gram is our government house. Listen, this isn't about poetry. It's high time to revival. It's high time for the revival. And we are the revolver, the agent of transformation. And they start with me and you. The time is now.